this is Kai from Asphalt Kingdom here. Hey Kevin, tell me all about this Titan striper.
Oh, great question, Kai. This is a PowrLiner 8955, and it's got all sorts of really cool things that a striper like you should care about. First of all, it's got a wonderful hydraulic motor pump tower that lasts and lasts and lasts. Next, it's got this big black box, and this big box lets you put glass beads onto a freshly painted line. Next, it's got a big 12-gallon hopper that you can put 12 gallons of paint in, so you have to fill your hopper up less often.
Cool.
Right?
Yeah.
And it's got gas power, so you have unlimited amount of power to get through that really big parking lot or athletic field. And right now, you and your brother are sitting on a driver, a lazy liner driver, that takes this unit and pushes it all through your job so you don't get all pooped out.
So there's paint in it right now?
There would be paint in it right now if I put it in, but right now, there's nothing. Because we are showing this at a trade show and they won't let us have open paint cans.
That makes sense.
So this makes you successful for your business and you can make a lot of money.
Thank you very much.
Very good. Thank you.
If you liked this video, go ahead and check out this video or check out this video. And don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe right here below.